it is, I mean, I shouldn't use the word that was seen, and it is not good ecologically also, nor for the water or the mountain or anything. That is one small suggestion I want to give. I hope everybody agrees with me. Other than that, food wise, the Sherpas service wise, or anything, it was wonderful. There was not any untoward incident in our group. Everybody is hale and happy, and we have enjoyed, and we are all very happy and blessed, I feel. Thank you.
Have got all correct mentality for doing jugaad. So with that thing, I just want to say that about 6 months back, I had gone to a place called as Setan, which is about 1000 feet above Kullu Manali. There are Indian skier groups. They had made ice igloos, purely out of ice with only a plywood door of 3 by 2. And outside temperature was -8. Inside temperature was -2, and we were being made to sleep on ice beds with all sleeping bags and all that. And there also eco toilets were there. I know you cannot try, but you can have the authority to tell the Mansarovar people and the Hirakud people that keep eco toilets ready. And eco toilets are now there even in cities. Small 3 by 2 cubicles. It is not something you can do, but you can tell them to keep it.
Definitely. We are working on that.
If it can be done in safe, then it can 100% be done.
Sure. Thank you so much for your service. Namaste. Yeah, anyone, please. अभी कुछ थोड़ा सा जो भी है आप बोल दीजिए over the
I got one suggestion.
बिल्कुल.
See, as far as Nirmala travels and Vatika travels, I think both are same.
Yeah.
As far as this travel is concerned, we are providing service.
Correct.
Maybe outsourcing.
Correct. Not outsourcing.
My
It's our own company.
You should have engaged one cook from South India or Udupi.
Okay.
So
Definitely.
that it may
Will
you
work
will be able to cater the food of local
local.
Japanese.
Okay, definitely. From next year, we will definitely.
Some
Yeah,
rasam and all.
idli, vada, rasam.
Otherwise everything was good and we are happy.
Thank you, sir.
Last time we had a good experience this time.
Yeah.
We thank for both the Shivalaya travels as well as Nirmala travels.
Thank you,
so
Ajay.
much. Yes.
Overall, the arrangements from Shivalaya and Vatika Travels or Nirmala Travels very excellent actually. But only in case of Manasarovar and Kailasnath,
Yeah.
the toiletry arrangements.
Yeah, definitely we should do that.
Taken into account.
Yes.
So it's a minimum basic thing.
Correct. We understand.
Because
Yeah.
everything has been spoiled there.
Yes.
That environment.